Ever wondered how a website could become your golden goose? Well, the answer lies in website monetization, the secret sauce to significant income. This is your chance to transform your website from a mere platform into a profitable powerhouse. Are you ready to turn your website into a cash-generating machine? The secret to monetizing your website lies in choosing the right model. From ads and sponsorships to affiliate marketing and subscription services, the possibilities are vast. It's all about finding that perfect fit that resonates with your website's character. Choose wisely and watch your website transform into a profit magnet. In the world of website monetization, content truly is king. It's the magnetic force that attracts and retains your audience. SEO smart text, captivating images, and engaging videos are all pieces of the puzzle. Craft your content carefully, and your audience and profits will grow. Why not turn your website into a bustling online marketplace? Unleash the magic of e-commerce, from launching your digital storefront to refining the user journey. Master the craft of compelling product descriptions and seamless checkout processes. Embrace e-commerce and your website could become the next big online shopping destination. Ready to dive into the future of website monetization? Imagine harnessing the power of AI for personalized user experiences, or leveraging blockchain for secure, transparent transactions. Embrace innovation, and you'll transform your website into a potent profit platform. Stay ahead of the curve, and your website could lead the next digital revolution. How about turning your audience into a thriving online community? In the world of website monetization, community building is key. By leveraging forums, social groups, and interactive content, you can engage and retain viewers, cultivate your community, and watch your profits multiply. You're now equipped with the tools to turn your website into a money-making machine. We've journeyed through monetization marvels, crowned content as king, enchanted with e-commerce, invested in innovation, and cultivated communities. Each is a key to unlocking your website's potential. Now it's your turn to implement these strategies to transform your site from a mere platform into a profit powerhouse. So what are you waiting for? It's time to unlock your website's untapped potential and start your journey to online prosperity.